I went all my life without you. Something right could be so wrong. Carry on, cause I know I have to let you go. I know it's bad to take a leap into my world of fantasies, but we will make it all the way somehow. But I know now when I wake up, I just have to put my feet back on the ground.
Wow! Hi guys, good morning, and be proud of me because this time when I say good morning, it's actually the morning. It's like 8. And I'm setting you guys up. Oopsies. Oops. I'm setting you guys up to get ready with me this morning. Very exciting stuff. I do want to say a huge thank you to Elle for sponsoring this video. I need a hair clip. BRB. Alright, time to get ready. I am very excited for today. I look forward to my weekends very much. And today specifically, I'm going out with my friend. We're doing all those cute little like... Maybe I shouldn't find these things super exciting, but I do because I'm kind of like a grandma deep down inside. By the way, I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Hydrating Moisturizer. So the plan is we're gonna go to a farmer's market. We're also gonna go read, which if you can tell, maybe, actually you probably can't. I'm fine right now. I really am. I just need some coffee. Oh, we're also gonna go get coffee. I've been reading a lot. It's the reason I stayed up a little bit too late last night, but it's actually kind of my joy in life right now. So it's been getting a lot nicer out recently here in Seattle. So I've been like going to parks and stuff and reading with my friends, and it's honestly been like really fun. But that's what we're doing today. I'm really excited. I don't know which book I'm gonna read yet. I'll show you what my choices are. You can help me choose. Huge thank you again to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. I remember getting my first e.l.f. makeup product when I was younger, and the way I kind of think of it is like they've evolved as I did, because I remember when it was just super affordable and it was like the only thing I could buy. Like, of course it made do, but I literally remember doing like the $20 makeup challenge with it, and now they really have like really crazy good things and really amazing dupes for high-end products. For starters, I'm in love with their skincare stuff. So some of my favorite is their like hydrating line, because I'm very dry, and I've been noticing this stuff works wonders for like making me look super hydrated when I'm wearing like a lot of makeup, especially this coconut mist. I love coconut. I love this stuff. Another one of the products by them that I've been loving that I'm gonna be starting off my makeup with is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This stuff is great for all skin types. Personally, I have kind of, I would say dry skin, but I manage it pretty well. It's not doing too bad right now, and it's more during the winter, so I guess, I don't know if that counts as combination. I don't know. No, it's definitely dry. I'm not oily at all. It gives you a really full coverage, but very natural. You guys know I'm all about natural makeup. Another thing I love about this is it has SPF in it. In my mind, I used to not like to wear skin makeup that much, but this is kind of like doing good for my skin while covering up whatever imperfections I have. This has like no fragrance in it. It's also a cream base, and it has really hydrating ingredients that are good for your skin, which I also really love because I have pretty sensitive, oh my gosh, I can't talk, pretty sensitive skin. Next up, I am going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo. Did I say cameo earlier? Oh my gosh. This stuff is an amazing dupe for Tarte Shape Tape, honestly. Like, it literally feels like it. I just put like a little bit underneath to brighten my eyes to hide the fact that I stayed up reading last night. I'm just knocking stuff over left and right. e.l.f. products are also 100% vegan. They don't test on animals, and I will have links below, of course, for you guys to check it out. Now I gotta use my fave, the Hydrating Coconut Mist. Choked. I love this stuff. It smells so good. I love coconut. As you can see by my skin, I'm glowing. Now we're pretty much done for the face portion, and it's now e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face. So next, let's do eyes. Well, actually, we're gonna do eyebrows. I have used this for a really long time, and I think this is also an amazing dupe for like the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick in Champagne Crystal. I'm just going to put it on the inner corner, kind of highlights the eye. And then I'm just going to finish off the look. Put a little bit of mascara on because that's a necessity. Okay, 10 minutes later. I honestly don't know how you people put mascara on without like getting it all over your eyelids every time, but I'll fix that up in a second. And then this is an e.l.f. product that I've used literally probably my first makeup product, to be honest, and it's just their clear lip gloss. Alright, so here's the finish. makeup. Very, very glowy. My skin looks great, if I do say so myself. Now, I have a little bit of time before I go pick up my friend, so I am gonna go make my voice sounds like, I don't know why it sounds like this. I'm gonna go make my morning oh my gosh, I almost said oatmeal. I'm literally allergic to oatmeal. I'm gonna go make my morning yogurt bowl, which will be the highlight of my day. Actually, no, it's reading. Jeez, I'm just making myself sound like a grandma in my little grandpa sweater, but I love yogurt. So you can see my yogurt recipe. It's really not a recipe. Just grabbing my bag, few essentials for the day. By the way, here's my little OOTD. I'm probably gonna throw on a puffer because although it's sunny out, freaking cold. So my grandpa sweater. I think I thrifted this somewhere in California. I have a bunch of necklaces layered, a bunch of rings. These jeans were thrifted, but they're Gap. Love them. They're like so wide leg. I love wide leg stuff. For my jewelry, this one, Shop Olive Lynn. This one's Etsy. This one's also Etsy. And then my ring, my friend made this one. Funny story, my friend made it and I took it because I thought I made it and I kept looking at it and wearing it and being like,
wow, this ring I made is so nice.
Until I realized my friend made it, but I kept it anyway because I think it's so cute. This small ring is from a vintage shop. And then this hand, this one was actually thrifted. The middle finger one, and then this one's from like a crystal shop. But yeah, let's go eat some yogurt. Okay guys, this one isn't super pretty, but still tastes good. This is what I eat like every morning for breakfast. It's so yummy. Basically just like Greek yogurt, a bunch of berries. I put kamut puffs on top, of course soy nut butter and chia seeds and coconut flakes and honey sometimes for sweetness. Sometimes I put cocoa nibs. Also, I want to show you guys, look, I reorganized this. So they're all like, look, like this is stevia. These are my cocoa nibs, my kamut puffs, and I put them all in old, like these are salad dressing bottles. Like down here, I have my like chia seeds, and look, I even labeled them. Beautiful yogurt bowl. Smile, wave. Okay, I'm moving my seat for the sake of lighting. Because I've been talking about books in this video, or will be. This is the book section of the newspaper. I just got this book. I'm gonna start reading it. This one I really want to read. I also want to read this one and that one. Hey. Hi, cutie. Oh, you're so cute. I just have to. He always sits in the sun. Okay. Are those, does that match this? Is that too matchy? Is it too matchy? I think I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot a book. Okay, quickly, I want to show you guys what I've been reading. This isn't like a book talk video, so if you want to see like actual recommendations and stuff, I have actual like whole videos on that, but stayed up reading last night was Dance of Thieves. I read kind of a lot of that. I'm also reading In 5 Years. I'm also reading What Comes After, and then I just got The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. And I think, I don't even know if I'm saying it, Addie Lore. I feel like it's Addie LaRue. I don't know. I think I have to bring this one. Maybe I'll bring both of these. I'll bring these too. Yay! Hopefully, but also not. Hopefully we go to a bookstore because every time I go, I'm like, I'm just gonna look around. But then I end up spending so much money on books. Now we're ready. It's so nice out. Guys, stream Mr. Perfectly Fine. By your side, you leave me all alone. I fall apart. You're okay. Hello, Mr. Perfectly Fine. How's your heart after breaking my arm? Casually Found this cafe. These are cute. Okay, whenever they have little seats like that, I just like it. This is so cute. Ooh. They have chocolate chips. Look, this table is a door. The time to buy an antique is when you see it. True. Are we walking the wrong direction? I think we are. We definitely are. Flowers. I'm tempted to buy flowers. Ooh. Look at the clouds. Mushrooms? Dude, I don't even know how to eat these. Bookstore. Wait, was that sarcasm? Oh. Ooh! Lupita, is this ugly? No. Yeah, there's something there, but just not. My second coffee, guys. And I got a muffin. Muffin! This is our setup, and my book I'm starting today that's super hyped up on TikTok, so hopefully it reaches the expectations. This other book that I've been reading a little bit. Want to share with us what you're reading?
Yes, I read Vanishing Half. I got this as a Christmas gift, and I haven't read it, so
You
we
guys
are
know,
April.
yeah. It's okay.
My best.
Doing my best.
Lost Twins, Part 1, 1968.
And she reads to you.
I wore my desk.
You look so funny!
And then I like try to change. I think these are decomposing. You know the ones where it's like, you know what I'm talking about? So I could be like, just awesome. Why are you kidding me right now? Antique store. Okay. Bye. Bye.
David, we need to get married. Hey guys, this lighting, I'm gonna die. I just got home from the park and I painted my nails last night, but I fell asleep before I finished them. I wanted to add little smiley faces. I thought it would be fun. Okay friends, as you can see, I'm back in my room. That was my amazing Sunday in Seattle. Honestly, kind of a dream date. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really, really long time, so it was very, very fun and it was so beautiful today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Huge thank you to Elf Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Happily.
How did that just happen?
Angle change. What's the next angle we're going for? It's right here. Back angle. They'll be like confused. They'll be like, wow, that's so mysterious. We're watching you from the back. What? Oh yeah, I actually like this one. It's nice. It's like I'm a film director. Upside down. Beautiful.